Understanding Parrot's Paradise, a dive into idiomatic expressions. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, Parrot's Paradise. This idiom might sound colorful and intriguing, and it's a great example of how English language can paint vivid pictures with words. Let's dive in and discover what this phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, Parrot's Paradise, is not a commonly used idiom, but it can be interpreted in a couple of interesting ways. Generally, it suggests a place or situation that is ideal or highly suitable for a specific person or thing, much like a paradise would be perfect for a parrot. Imagine a place filled with all the things that parrots love. This is what the phrase conveys metaphorically. Parrots are known for their bright colors and ability to mimic sounds. So, Parrot's Paradise could evoke an image of a place that is vibrant, lively, and full of mimicry or repetition. Think of a lively tropical forest or a lively, colorful gathering. Places where there's plenty of noise, activity, and mimicry, much like a parrot's natural habitat. Let's see how we can use Parrot's Paradise in different sentences. 1. This new language learning app is a parrot's paradise. It's filled with endless phrases for me to practice. 2. The annual costume party is a parrot's paradise with its colorful outfits and lively music. 3. For a gossip columnist, overhearing celebrities' conversations is like being in a parrot's paradise. In these examples, the phrase is used to describe situations that are ideal or highly appealing for the people involved. While Parrot's Paradise itself might not be widely recognized, there are similar idioms that convey the idea of an ideal place. For example, a fisherman's dream, or a shopper's paradise. These phrases all suggest a perfect setting for someone with specific interests. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase, Parrot's Paradise, and how you can use it creatively in your conversations. Remember, idioms are a fun and colorful way to express yourself in English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting English language insights. See you next time.